Don't mind me if I sound out of breath. Just jogged a little bit with the dog. Get the mail. I'm just gonna use this as a platform. But let's open her up. Nicely packaged from the outside. No kinks or anything. Alright, just had to change the battery, but middle of opening this up, made the full incision here when the camera cut out. But let's continue the progress. This guy, or this person, just wanted to tape this. I want to make sure that this thing is taped up. Look at that. And even HB tape. Cool. Awesome. And boom. Let me put on my gloves, ground myself out. Here it is. Looks nice. Looks clean enough. Comes with a shorter I/O bracket. That's nice. Comes with NVIDIA graphic drivers, just in case you can't find this online. Look at that. You got one in Chinese. I want to disassemble this just to check. So let's do that. I think I'll be able to move the fan without removing that. Oh. Okay. You are pretty interesting. So this is nice and fresh, actually. Now I feel kind of bad doing that. Feel kind of bad doing that, but I wanted to make sure that this is actually like good parts. Like, it looks nice and clean, no, but I have to check. Gotta always check. But I think I'm just ready to flop into the build. Looks flimsy, but it works. And as a grand tour of this case, this is not plugged in, this PNY SSD, because it's not actually working with this board. I got my Western Digital Blue. I got an Corsair A50 with AMD bracket only, because I got this from Craigslist. Got a EVGA 500 watt 80 plus gold power supply, and this is a Cooler Master N200 case that fits up to a micro ATX board. And we got 3 gigs, yeah, that's right, 3 gigs of DDR3, surprisingly, memory, clocked at 1333, surprising. And this board can only take up to 1333, boo. This is an old HP Apricot Mini ITX, or micro ATX board. It came out of a HP Slimline. Show you guys the picture of that Slimline. You might have seen it from 6 years ago. So this board is old, and this little bad boy is an HP something, I don't know, let me look it up. This is an HP GF 8400 Express PCI-e Express 1 graphics card, because this only has PCIe X1. So we'll see how this works. Hopefully we'll get something out of it. And yeah, let's install drivers and explore with this computer. Just wanna go ahead and go on record that before I closed up the case, I actually tested out if the fan will turn on, and it did.